subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand De Morgan's law. In our previous classes, we have covered the laws which are related to the Boolean algebra, and similarly in this class we'll try to understand another law which is called as De Morgan's law, and this is very important to understand. And now coming to this law, there are two laws in this De Morgan's law. The first law is this and the second law. Now coming to the first law, what this law states is, this law states that the complement of sum of variables is equal to the product of their individual complements. What does that mean? What it means is, for example, if you take sum of variables, and if you try to find the complement of this sum of variables, this value is also equal to the product of individual complements. Okay, so this is what we call it as a De Morgan's law. How to verify that both of these are equal? We will try to understand, we will try to get the verification by using this truth table. So what this truth table is, these are the two truth tables. On these two truth tables we will try to find the verification. What this truth table states is, it is going to find the a plus b complement, and this truth table is going to find the a complement dot b complement. So product of individual complements. Now finding this is a plus b is equal to 0, 1 1 1, and the complement of this is going to be 1 0 0 0. Similarly, if you take this here, we have to find the a complement. A complement is 1 1 0 0, b complement is 1 0 1 0. Now a complement dot b complement is 1, this is 0 0, and this is 0. So if you see this, a plus b whole complement is equal to a complement dot b complement. The output that is generated by a plus b whole complement is, with all the combination of two inputs, is 1 0 0 0. Similarly, if you take the output of a complement dot b complement, it is also equal to 1 0 0 0. So both of them are equal. So this is what we call it as De Morgan's law. Okay, now how this De Morgan's law, how this De Morgan law can be represented by using gates, logic gates. So how it can be represented is a plus b whole complement. So what it states is a plus b whole complement. So this is what we call it as a plus b. It is an OR gate, and the complement of it is just the bubble. It is same as that of NOR gate, right? And this NOR gate, this is an OR gate, and how a complement dot b complement is represented is, this is AB, and these are called as bubbled AND gate. So this is what we call it as bubbled AND gate, because this is the complement of A and B. Here this bubble is going to generate the complement of A and B, A complement and B complement, and the output is going to be, this is an AND gate, so it is A complement dot B complement. Now this De Morgan law can be expanded to any number of variables or any number of combination of variables. So what does that mean is, for example, if you take more number of variables, like sum of variables a plus b plus c plus d plus so on. So you take any number of variables, and if you try to find the complement of these number of variables, so the De Morgan's law can be applied, which means that this is equal to the complement of its individual variables. So individual product of the complements of individual variables. Okay, so this can be applied to any number of variables. Similarly, any combination of variables can also be applied to the De Morgan's law. What does that mean? The combination of variables mean, for example, if you take AB plus CD plus EFG. For example, if you try to find this is what we call it as combination of variables, and the sum of if you try to find the complement of this sum of the combination of variables, if you try to find the complement of this, the complement of this complement, the De Morgan's law can be applied on this complement. So it is equal to AB whole complement plus CD complement plus EFG complement. Both of them will produce, this is AB complement dot CD complement dot EFG complement. So this De Morgan's law can be, so this can be represented, both of them are going to generate the same output. The De Morgan's law can be applied, can be extended to any number of variables or combination of any number of combination of variables also. Now coming to the second law of De Morgan's law. So the second law states that the complement of product of variables. In the first law we have seen the sum of variables. In the second law, the complement of product of variables. So this is what we call it as product of variables, and if we try to find the complement of this product of variables, it is equal to sum of their individual complements. It is equal to sum of their individual complements. It is equal to sum of their individual complements. Okay, so both of these two will also produce the same results. We will try to verify that by using this truth table. So 0, it is AND gate. First A dot B means AND, which is equal to 0 0 0 1, and the complement of it is 1 1 1 0. Similarly, if you try to find the complement of A, 1 1 0 0, and complement of B is 1 0 1 0. And if you try to find the A complement plus B complement, A complement plus B complement, it is 1, this is 0, this is 1, this is 1, and this is 0. See here, A dot B whole complement, the output that is generated by A dot B whole complement is 1 1 1 0, and similarly the output that is generated by A complement plus B complement is 1 1 1 0. Okay, both of them are equal. And how they are represented? How they are represented is, this is a NAND gate, A plus A dot B whole complement. This is an AND gate, and this is what we call it as a bubbled OR gate. Bubbled OR gate. See here what this represents. It is A complement. Here we will generate a complement plus B complement. So this is going to generate a B complement. So the output is going to be A complement plus B complement. Now this De Morgan's law can also be extended to any number of variables. So what does that mean? So what does that mean is any number of variables or any combination of any number of combination of variables. If you try to find A, B, C, D, so on whole complement, this is equal to A complement plus B complement plus C complement plus D complement. In the same way, this can be extended to any combination of variables also. For example, if you take AB dot CD dot EFG, and if you try to find the complement of this, this is equal to AB complement plus CD complement plus EFG complement. Okay, both of them are going to produce an equivalent output. Okay, so these are the two laws. Using these two laws, we can do the De Morganization. So using both these laws, given any Boolean expression that can be De Morganized. How to do the De Morganization? How to do the De Morganization is change all the ANDs to ORs and ORs to ANDs. In the given expression, if there is an AND, it has to be changed to OR. If there is an OR, it has to be changed to and. The next step is complement each of the individual variables. After changing and to or and or to and, we have to complement each and every individual variable. So let's try to understand it by using this example. For example, if you have a plus b, or you take it as okay, let's take the simple example, because in the next video we will try to take complex examples and we will try to solve those examples. Now if you try to find the complement of it, what the De Morganization states is, if there is an and symbol, it has to be converted into or. If there is a or symbol, it has to be converted into and. So it is, there is an or symbol, it will get converted into and. What is the next step? Complement each of the individual variables. You have if you have 10 variables, complement each and every individual variable. Okay, so this is complemented and this is complemented, so the output is going to be the same. So this is what we call it as, this process is what we call it as De Morganization. Okay, hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.